Good evening, students. In the last video we have discussed some properties. So today's class also we dedicate to some properties, many more properties. So let us take 2 sine inverse x. We will find the value of 2 sine inverse x. This I am giving sine inverse 2x into root 1 minus x square when minus 1 by root 2 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 1 by root 2 and pi minus sine inverse 2x into root 1 minus x square when x is lying between 1 by root 2 to 1, because you are knowing sine inverse x ka domain closed interval minus 1 1 for all these cases, minus pi minus sine inverse 2x into root 1 minus x square for minus 1 to minus 1 by root 2. So बहुत स्टूडेंट्स क्या पूछते हैं सर ये सारे कंडीशंस कैसे याद करना. This is very simple if you are knowing this preliminary property sin inverse of sin x. So that day we have discussed its graph properties and everything. So it will be very clear once if you know the definition of sin inverse sin x. So let me explain in detail. So I am taking this value sin inverse 2x root 1 minus x square. Here I am taking a substitution x equal to sin theta. So basically, so theta का principal value, domain value क्या है? Minus pi by 2 you are knowing. Okay. So with this sin inverse से value क्या हो गया? X equal to sin theta है तो immediately you can say cos theta equal to root 1 minus x square, which is positive in this interval. That is clear from the graph of cos. So sin inverse से value क्या हो गया? 2 sin theta cos theta. That becomes sin inverse 2 sin theta cos theta. You are knowing sin 2 theta right now. So sin inverse of sin 2 theta मालूम है आपको 2 theta. If x is 2 theta is lying between minus pi by 2 and pi by 2. So once if you divide with 2, minus pi by 4 less than or equal to theta less than or equal to pi by 4. If you replace theta by sin inverse x, so क्या होता है इधर ही minus 1 by root 2, finding the value of x. X is from minus 1 by root 2 to 1 by root 2. Very clear. So you got your first condition. 2 theta मतलब इसका value क्या होता है? 2 sin inverse x. Similarly other value क्या होता है? So when 2 theta lie between minus pi by 2 pi by 2, sin inverse of sin 2 theta theta 2 theta. So if it is between pi by 2 and 3 pi by 2, if it is between pi by 2 and 3 pi by 2, again dividing with उसका वैल्यू क्या होता है आपको मालूम है? पाई माइनस एक्स मतलब इधर ही 2 थीटा. सो पाई माइनस 2 थीटा. सो वैल्यू क्या होता है? 2 से डिवाइड किया तो पाई बाई 4 लेस देन और इक्वल टू थीटा. दैट इज साइन इनवर्स एक्स लेस देन. लेकिन साइन इनवर्स एक्स का मालूम है आपको प्रिंसिपल रेंज क्लोज्ड इंटरवल माइनस पाई बाई 2 दैट इज थीटा का वैल्यू. सो हम इंस्टेड ऑफ 3 पाई बाई 4 आई एम टेकिंग अप टू पाई बाई 2. सो क्या होता है इसका वैल्यू नेक्स्ट? So 2 theta 2 sin inverse x 2 theta theta की जगह में ऑलरेडी रिप्लेस कर दिया अपने sin inverse x for what values when x is running from minus 1 by root 2 to 1 by root 2. Happy. and दूसरा कंडीशन क्या है? pi minus 2 sin inverse x, right? This is 1 by root 2 to 1. तीसरा कंडीशन क्या होता है? माइनस पाई. ऑटोमेटिकली थर्ड केस आई एम राइटिंग विदाउट प्रूफ. सो माइनस पाई माइनस 2 sin inverse x when x is lying between minus 1 to minus 1 by root 2. So transferring this 2 sin inverse x to other side and finding the value, so you will obtain this property. So 2 sin inverse x is equal to sin inverse 2x into root 1 minus x square when x is from minus 1 by root 2 to 1 by root 2. And if you transfer this 2 sin inverse x to left side, it will become positive. So 2 sin inverse x is equal to, and this will take negative sign and transferring to right hand side. So 2 sin inverse x is equal to pi minus sin inverse 2x into root 1 minus x square when x is from 1 by root 2 to 1. Third case in a similar way. Clear now? So this way you can easily get the conditions of any property. Very easy to remember once if you are knowing sin inverse sin x definition. Very clear, students? Now we'll go to other property, that is 3 sin inverse x. If you closely observe this, you can easily write with this knowledge of 2 sin inverse x, you can easily write that 3 sin inverse x. However, I am proving 3 sin inverse x. So if you take sin inverse x as theta, sin 3 theta definition मालूम है आपको, प्रॉपर्टी मालूम है आपको, फॉर्मूला sin 3 थीटा क्या होता है, 3 sin थीटा माइनस 4 sin क्यूब थीटा, ये तो फॉर्मूला मालूम है आपको. सो यूजिंग दैट, सो sin इनवर्स 3x माइनस 4x क्यूब, हाँ ये माइनस 1 by 2 लेस देन और इक्वल टू x लेस देन और इक्वल टू 1 by 2. सेम इसका जैसे y माइनस साइन इनवर्स 3x माइनस 4x क्यूब, कभी when x is between half to 1, because you are knowing sin inverse x definition property is a definition or domain closed interval minus 1 1. So this is half to 1, and the third one minus pi minus sin inverse 3x minus 4x cube when x is lying from minus 1 to minus half. Very clear. Now we'll be proving one or two cases. So let us take this value, sin inverse 3x minus 4x cube क्या होता है. So taking substitution x equal to sin theta, इसका वैल्यू क्या होता है, sin inverse 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta, that is sin inverse sin 3 theta. sin inverse sin 3 theta क्या होता है आपको मालूम है, 3 theta कभी if it is lying in the interval principal domain minus pi by 2 pi by 2. So minus pi by 2 less than or equal to 3 theta less than or equal to pi by 2. Other cases क्या, pi minus 3 theta कभी if it is between pi by 2 and 3 pi by 2. Okay, and also minus pi minus 3 theta कब है, when if it is lying between minus 3 pi by 2 and pi by 2 minus pi by 2. Okay, so from here I am continuing. The upper one I am rubbing. Now have a look. So इसका वैल्यू क्या होता है, so this sin inverse 3x minus 4x cube equal to, अभी क्या हो गया इसका वैल्यू, 3 into back substitution replacing theta by sin inverse x, you will get 3 sin inverse x, and dividing with this theta क्या होता है, minus pi by 6 less than or equal to theta less than or equal to pi by 6, and replacing theta by sin inverse x, applying sin 30 मालूम है आपको 1 by 2, so minus 1 by 2 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 1 by 2. Okay, next what are the other values, pi minus 3 sin inverse x, automatically these cases you can expect from half to 1 as similar to your previous, and minus pi minus 3 sin inverse x from minus 1 to minus half. This way you can easily write. Now you can switch 3 sin inverse x values, which confirms your property of 3 sin inverse x. Very clear. Now we'll be moving to other property. क्लियर ना बाबू? Now 2 cos inverse x property. 2 cos inverse x. ये तो cos 2 थीटा फॉर्मूला मालूम है आपको, cos 2 थीटा इक्वल टू 2 cos स्क्वायर थीटा माइनस 1 मालूम है आपको in terms of cos. So 2 cos inverse x equal to cos inverse. You carefully observe cos theta. I am taking x. So 2x square minus 1. That is when x is between 0 to 1. 2 pi minus cos inverse 2x square minus 1. When minus 1 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 0. Clear? Right. So I am taking this value now, cos inverse. Very easy to remember if you know cos inverse cos x definition and property. Cos inverse 2x square minus 1. इसमें क्या ले रहे मैंने, x equal to cos theta substitution ले रहे, उससे क्या होता है वैल्यू, cos inverse 2 cos square theta minus 1, that is cos 2 theta. Once again you can use the definition of cos inverse cos. So cos inverse of cos x equal to x, that is 2 theta. Kabhi when that x is lying in the interval 0 to pi, that is 0 less than or equal to 2 theta less than or equal to pi. 2 से डिवाइड कीजिए, 0 लेस देन और इक्वल टू थीटा लेस देन और इक्वल टू पाई बाय 2. बट व्हाट इज थीटा? cos inverse x. Okay, so and cos is, you are knowing directly application of cos. Cos is decreasing in this interval 0 to pi by 2. So क्या होता है? So cos 90 0 less than or equal to x, cos 0 1. So x is between 0 to 1. 2 theta मतलब थीटा की जगह में cos inverse x लिखिए for this principal domain. Theta belongs to 0 pi. So 2 theta 2 cos inverse x when x is between 0 to 1. When between 2 theta is lying between pi and 2 pi, उसमें क्या होता है, 2 pi minus x, 2 pi minus x की जगह में इधर क्या है 2 theta. So that is 2 pi minus 2 into theta की जगह में cos inverse x for what values? अभी again 2 से divide कीजिए, pi by 2 less than or equal to theta less than or equal to pi. Once again you are knowing pi between pi by 2 to pi, cos is once again decreasing. So what are the values? Minus 1 less than or equal to x less than or equal to cos 90 value 0. आ गया. नाउ स्विचिंग टू cos इनवर्स x. 2 cos इनवर्स x का वैल्यू क्या हो गया अभी बताइएगा. cos इनवर्स रिवर्स किया तो cos इनवर्स ऑफ 2x स्क्वायर माइनस 1 कभी व्हाट आर द वैल्यूज व्हेन x इज बिटवीन 0 to 1 राइट नाउ, एंड व्हाट आर दिस वैल्यू 2 pi minus this 2 pi minus cos inverse of 2x square minus 1 for what values of x when x is between minus 1 to 0. This way you can prove this property. Similarly we will prove 3 cos inverse x also. In that case also I am proving. See, these are very easy ones if you remember that principal property. Okay, now we will discuss the property of 3 cos inverse x. Very clear now babu? थ्री cos inverse x. उसके लिए आप cos 3 थीटा डेफिनेशन फार्मूला याद होना चाहिए. cos 3 थीटा फार्मूला मालूम है आपको, 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. So default cos inverse 4x cube minus 3x for values half less than or equal to x less than or equal to 1, 2 pi minus cos inverse 4x cube minus 3x कभी when x is between minus half to half, okay, and this value 2 pi plus cos inverse 4x cube minus 3x, okay, between minus 1 to minus half. So these are the cases I am proving now. So let us consider this value cos inverse 4x cube minus 3x. So again, once again, what is the substitution? X equal to cos theta, x equal to cos theta. So क्या होता है वो, and where theta belongs to closed 0 pi. So इधर ही क्या होता है, cos inverse 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta, that is cos 3 theta. So cos inverse of cos 3 theta क्या होता है, 3 theta कभी when 3 theta lie in the interval 0 to pi. So dividing with 3, 0 less than or equal to theta less than or equal to pi by 3. Once again cos is decreasing in the interval 0 pi by 3. So switching, so half less than or equal to x less than or equal to cos 0 1, 3 theta मतलब 3 cos inverse x आ गया. So cos inverse 4x cube minus 3x equal to 3 cos inverse x for which value of x? When x is ranging from half to 1. This way you can prove. Other cases also I am proving. At least one case, one more case I am finding, and other case we can write in a similar fashion. Now we are knowing cos inverse. Cos is 2 pi minus x, that is 2 pi minus 3 cos inverse x, right? हाँ, इसके लिए क्या करना चाहिए, 0 मतलब पाई लेस देन और इक्वल टू 3 थीटा less than or equal to 2 pi, dividing with 3 pi by 3 less than or equal to theta less than or equal to 2 pi by 3. Once again applying application of cos is decreasing in this, so minus 1 by 2 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 1 by 2 आ गया वो condition भी. So if you reverse this, 3 cos inverse x is equal to 2 pi minus cos inverse 4x cube minus 3x. For what values of x when x is between minus half to half? This way also you can prove. And the third case क्या होता है, x minus 2 pi होता है. x is here 3 theta, so 3 theta minus 2 pi होता है. Okay, so अगर इसका value, so 3 theta मतलब 3 cos inverse x minus 2 pi. For what value? Other condition. For minus 1 to minus half, you can easily get this condition. So अभी क्या हो गया इसका value? So 3 cos inverse x के लिए क्या होता है? If you switch minus 2 pi to left side, it will become 2 pi. 2 pi plus cos inverse 4x cube minus 3x. For what value? When x is from between minus 1 to minus half. Other cases already हमने prove कर दिया. This way we have proved 2 cos inverse x and 3 cos inverse x. This is another property. Earlier we have discussed 2 sin inverse x and 3 sin inverse x. Now we can write 2 tan inverse x and 3 tan inverse x also in a similar way. I am giving their proof also. So 2 tan inverse x, tan inverse 2x by 1 minus x square for minus 1 less than x less than 1, pi plus tan inverse 2x by 1 minus x square when x is greater than 1, minus pi plus tan inverse 2x by 1 minus x square for x less than minus 1. Let us take this function and prove all three cases. So consider tan inverse 2x by 1 minus x square. This is also very simple. So I'm taking substitution x equal to tan theta. So क्या हो गया इसका वैल्यू tan इनवर्स 2 tan theta by 1 minus tan square theta. Okay, tan inverse 2 tan theta by 1 minus tan square theta आपको मालूम है tan 2 theta. Okay, इसका वैल्यू डायरेक्टली आ जाएगा आपको tan inverse of tan 2 theta equal to 2 theta का भी if this angle 2 theta lie in the interval open interval minus pi by 2 pi by 2. So minus pi by 2 less than 2 theta less than pi by 2 dividing with 2 minus pi by 4 less than theta less than pi by 4 theta equal to tan inverse x. यार directly application of tan क्या होता है minus 1 less than x less than 1. So what is this value 2 theta मतलब 2 tan inverse x. Other case also you will get in a similar fashion pi plus pi x minus pi होता है x minus मतलब इधर ही 2 theta minus pi for what values when x greater than 1. So other case also you will get pi plus 2 theta pi plus or 2 theta plus pi when x is less than minus 1. So converting 2 theta values, so क्या होता है अभी बताइए 2 tan inverse x. So 2 tan inverse x का क्या होता है अभी बताइए. If you switch back 2 tan inverse x equal to tan inverse 2x by 1 minus x square for what values of x when x is lying between minus 1 to 1. Okay, so 2 theta लिया आपने minus pi ए साइड किया तो pi plus this value tan inverse 2x by 1 minus x square कभी when x is greater than 1 and other case minus pi plus tan inverse 2x by 1 minus x square. ये कैसे आ गया ये pi लेफ्ट साइड ट्रांसफर किया तो minus pi plus this value so that it conforms for x less than minus 1. This way you can prove. Similarly you can prove 3 tan inverse x also. Let me write that formula property at least 3 tan inverse x. आपको मालूम है tan 3 थीटा फॉर्मूला tan इनवर्स 3x minus x cube by 1 minus 3x square 3 tan theta minus tan cube by 1 minus 3 tan square. This is between minus 1 by root 3 to 1 by root 3. You cannot take equal because this value does not exist at x equal to minus 1 by root 3 and 1 by root 3. When x is greater than 1 by root 3 same dash pi plus dash and other one minus pi plus dash when x is less than minus 1 by root 3. This way you can complete the properties of 2 tan inverse x and 3 tan inverse x. Okay.